Alright, what am I getting myself into today? Like I said, I got my bird poo place again. It's only been about 9 months since I've been here. So, bird poo, you name it, all over the glass. It's just bad all the way around. Oh gosh, it's gonna be fun. See, they're supposed to tear this whole pyramid looking thing down, but it probably won't be to August, so one more clean. There you go. Yeah, all 32 of them now, but they're all gone. So, here's the game plan. Foam it up, let it dwell a bit. Get my pressure washer out, start pressure washing all the big stuff off. Then get out my brush, hand brush it, steel wool it, blade it, good flood rinse. And we'll go on to the water fed pull afterwards. So this will probably be one of 3, before, during, and after. All right, that is all.